Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here today to share my November 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. Now, if you've ever been over to the Facebook group or to the blog, you will see every month they choose an inspiration kit. This month they chose the Emily kit from Felicity Jane, and it's a 2021 release. And I don't remember what month it released in, but it's a recent one. Anywho, so if you guys have been around my channel, you know that I subscribe to the Felicity Jane kit, so I have the Emily kit. So I pull it out. All I have on here is Emily 2021. I did not write down when the kit was curated. This is the guide, if you will, that shows you all the different papers that are in the collection and the color scheme of the papers. So I'm going to leave that there. You can, this doesn't come with the kit, but you can order it in addition to, and it's just a little Emily stamp. They always do such cute stamps. These are chipboard flair. There's some images as well as numbers. These are Emily cardstock stickers. Those are so pretty. This is the Emily stamp set that came with the kit. And it's got the days of the week, and then it's got my day, plans, a little line, the semicolon dots, this week favorites, a check mark, our day, and then of course Emily. This is the puffy alphabet that came with, and I only have one of these, so I've pulled in some additional alphabet stickers to go. These are the pocket page cards. Now every month when you order a kit, you will get, or anything I think from Felicity Jane, you will get their inspiration card as a thank you, and it shows their rendition of Emily. Super cute, but these are the cards that came with, and the back sides of these cards always have either a grid or a dot grid on the back. Oh, that's cute. This week in review. I love that color yellow. I wanted to show you the back. It's a dot. There's a pink, a floral image, that green. That's like my favorite color of green of all time of ever. That I love. That I love. And those I could take or leave. I might use it for the journal on the back side. This kit also came with pocket page cards. Not pocket page cards. Book cards, if you will. Where you get the author, the title, and the borrower's name. And they are two-sided. You could make a little mini album out of these for a book lover. You could do all kinds of things with these. It comes with the word sticker sheet, and those all peel apart, and I love that they're all in different colors and they're different words, so that makes my heart happy. It comes with a couple of large paper clips, gold paper clips, and it comes with an embellishment pack, and there's everything that comes in it. You get one of the die cuts with the girl, you get tags, you get flowers, you get hearts, you get little labels and arrow labels and plain labels, and a tag that says week in review. You get happy moments and smile, a little ticket shape here, more floral bits, more tags, an ampersand. Lots of fun stuff to play with. Let me spread out this paper. This, to me, is the inspiration. That kills me. Why do you have this paper that I love on the back side of this paper that I love? I love this check because it's like a rusty orange color, and the back is just plain old black and white. This is actually dark blue, not black. I love that. It's got a funky feel to the grid. That apple sheet is just not my thing. I love this. It's a ledger paper. And that chevron, it looks like blue and green Like this way is green, this way is blue. Now whether that's the case or not, or my eyes just doing funky things, I don't know. I love this. You can cut these out, or, oh, I like that even more. Yeah, we'll put it on that side. This is so pretty. They're little hexagonal shapes, but made out of dots. I don't know how to explain it. Oh, but that, oh my goodness, that's my favorite sheet. And then it comes with a couple of solid sheets. That green, I wish I had 5 of those. That's a peachy color, and then that dark blue color, rusty color, and green. And if you guys know me, you know that with all of this stuff, it's not going to be nearly enough for me. I am embellishment heavy when I am working on a kit. I've gotten to a point in life where I don't want too much, but I want enough that I don't have to go digging through my stash to find things. So I have decided to add some additional pieces of paper and a couple of extra embellishments to the kit. These are just leftovers out of my random file. Because there's this faint shade of pink, this is from my miscellaneous, from like different boxes that I have collected over the years, purchased on different sales. These are the papers that I have collected along with. Love that bright yellow and that pink. There's another one of those rusty tones. That mauve-y, corally color. So I have added in 7 more pieces of paper and then some random embellishments. Are these Lindsay epoxy stickers. Has a lot of the same colors. This cocoa alphabet that is black. I don't have much left, but I do have some numbers, and I'll see what I can create. See if I can create at least one more title. And then I pulled a bunch of embellishments that I have left over from the Shea collection. I have puffy stickers. I have washi strips. That's a different collection, I think, on the back, but that yellow is a great match. And then I have these alphabets. And you can see the pink matches that pink there. So this is larger than this one, this little tiny one, so I'm hoping I can get some titles out of there. And then this arrows and ampersand from Shea. Maybe not the bright pinks, but definitely some of the other colors I'll be able to use. Okay, if you know me, you know this is a large kit, but not enough. I don't know why I'm making this kit so big, only because I haven't built a kit in a long time. So I'm going to add some additional things. I went through my Freckled Fawn embellishments, and I found these coffee cups that have different colors on them, like the orange, the pink, and maybe the reds. Might work a little bit. If I can use them, I can. If I can't, I can't. It's okay. So I'm going to add those in. This leftover bit of washi tape, there's 2 sets in here. These ones with the oranges, I think I can get some use out of those, the rusty reds and oranges. These label stickers that are partially used up, but they have green and orange, and I think I'll be able to get those used, or I hope I will. I found some gold labels, and there's multiple packs in here. I want to say there's 3 packs. Gosh, I can't see in there. 2 or 3 packs. This label sheet with just 1 on, I want to try and finish that off. These label stickers, and there's some of this rusty red, dark red, oranges, yellows. Try for those. And then another set of gold labels. There's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left on here. I'm trying to get those used up. And I did pull in a couple of Freckled Fawn kits. I pulled in 3. This one has green alpha tiles, more labels, more washi strips, and this has some enamel dots. This one has orange labels, or orange letter stickers, more labels, more washi strips, and some leftover enamel dots. This one has coffee cups, yellow, and I think that yellow matches the inspiration really well. Labels, washi strips, enamel dots, and then the wood veneer. So I've pulled all 3 of these in. And then, if that's not going to be enough, then I pulled in this kit. This is actually a combination of 2 from Harper and Rebecca. I actually have 2. I had a partial Harper and I got another one. So it's in here. And then I have the Rebecca, what's left over of it. And I think that's all scraps. I don't think there's any solid sheets of the Rebecca left. I may be wrong, but I don't think so. Some embellishments from Rebecca. But most of it's Harper. So I'll use some of that if I feel up to it. If not, and I think there's some Freckled Fawn embellishments in there as well. So we'll see. I may get into that one. I may not. This may suffice and be plenty. But I will be back at the end of the month, and I'm going to try and do what I have been doing earlier in the year and create 7 layouts on the last 7 days of the month. So come back for them. I will have each day, I'll have the papers, a sketch, and then I'm going to put it all together. I will have a page map sketch pulled from November of 2021 as well as November of 2020 that I will kind of float back and forth. I'm going to go through my stash and see if I can't find photos to match this paper line and go from there. But yeah, I will see you guys on my videos at the end of the month. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.